Hi guys, it's me, Kima, for Kimberlee, the brand darling, and welcome back to our channel. And today, we're doing another furniture flip. We're making over the shelf. Alright you guys, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Please leave me a comment, honey. I would love talking to you guys. I will also leave my social media down below so you can follow me on there. My Pinterest is also down below, so follow me on there as well. Now, to give you a little background, I've had this shelf for a couple of years. I bought it when I was still living with my mother, and I wanted to make over my room. And then I was working at Ross at the time, so I was still broke. And I thrifted this. I can't remember how much I paid for it, but it was brown originally. I had originally painted it white with a spray gun that I purchased from Harbor Freight, but that spray gun was absolute garbage.
Well, just as I thought, trash.
Okay, I think I have some footage of that. I'll try to insert that as I'm telling you about it. But now, it needs to be made over again. My previous style was very white and glam, silver and gray, things of that nature. I'm gonna show y'all like my old room makeover. I never posted it because it was so long and I got lazy and I never edited it. So I think I'm gonna sit down and edit that video and like talk about like my process, and that's really how I started into interior design. But either way, so I had painted this bright white, and I also had painted the accoutrements, the hardware on it. I had painted it silver. Now that I'm past that design style, I'm going to remake this to sell, so we'll follow that journey as well. Now the shelf is about 3 feet tall and about 3 feet wide. It has 4 shelves, 2 which are removable. It has these hardware pieces that I already showed you on each corner. These are the 2 that I just didn't put back in. I used to use them for my shoes in my old room, and the back was against the wall, so I never put those pieces back on. I did such a horrible job spraying it, so I got spray all over the feet of it. I never went back and fixed it. I was just over and done. I painted it was in my daddy's driveway, and he was upset that I had like stained the driveway white with the paint. The other day I was over there and it still is stained, and this was like 4 years ago that I did this, so I can understand him being upset. The design style that I want to make this piece into is my signature faux wood grain. I want to do wood and black. So I'm going to paint these black, and I'm going to paint the feet black. And all of this is going to be the faux wood tone that I've done on my channel several times. I'll link those videos down below. Any products that I could list or link, I will also put those down below. The first step we need to do is take all the hardware off, clean this girl off. Then we need to go in and assess any damage and then start painting. Alright, so let's talk about the color. As you already know, if you've been following my channel, that I use this Valspar base that has been tinted with Sherwin-Williams doe eyes. And I usually mix it with my Polycrylic ultra clear flat top coat. But I'm only had a little bit of that, and I need to use that for something else. But what I do have is this Rust-Oleum metallic varnish custom coat gold. So it's supposed to have like reflex of gold in it, or whatever the case may be. And so I'm gonna mix this, 1 part that, 1 part paint, to come up with my wood tone finish. Girl, I will link videos down below so you can know what I'm doing. So right here on this bottom shelf I have that planter that I repotted. I have a link to this video down below. I think it was actually a short, or it might have been on my Instagram. I will link that down below. On the shelf above it I have like my little, you know, light academia thing going on with my books and my little golden mirror and my wood basket. I paid 50 cents for this mirror, darling. And these are books of composers, honey. I think it's in a different language. Who knows? And then up on this shelf, I have these beautiful brass candle holders with some pillar candles in them. Then I have another wood basket just to tie in that wood basket. And then up here at the top, I have a picture of me and Vince. I have this gold frame with no picture in it. I have this beveled arch mirror, which is absolutely gorgina. And then I have this golden, like a Roman style vase with just some fake vinage in here. And that's basically what it looks like now. And I'm going to show y'all another way that I'm going to use it. So, one second. Alright, so I put it in here. If you remember the last makeover video, we did Vincent's room. And we put another shelf right here. This shelf actually. But I feel like it wasn't giving what it needs to be gave in this area. I think it was a little too short. So I put this one here. And I feel like it helps balance out some of the dark wood and like the green and like the whole, you know, mid-century modern feel of it. So this is what it's probably going to live at here. This is probably its new home. Alrighty, so I know I said I was going to sell it, but once I really thought about it, I was like, I don't want to sell it because when I first made it over, I didn't make it over in the best way. And if I was going to sell it, I would have personally painted under here, not just the tops. And then you can see like it has some splatter from the last time I painted it. So it just, you know, it still looks good, but I wouldn't sell it. Maybe I will, I don't know. We'll see. Either way, I want you to like, comment, and subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it. My social media will be down below. Is there anything else I need to say? No. I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.